Here are 4 carrier AC units here. And then, Pigeon, which one's ours? Pigeon, which one's ours? Pigeon, find out which one's ours. I don't know which one's ours. So, it's got a Bristol Reciprocating Compressor. Or no, Copeland Reciprocating Compressor. It's a carrier. Okay. So, this is from a serial number 2688 E54862. It's from the 26th week of 1988. Model number 38TH018300. So, there's a second one. Oh, I can't get in here. Oh, it's too hard to climb. So, it's dangerous to climb in an air conditioner. Yeah. So, here's the other unit. Right there. Here's the line connection. Which one's ours? Well, this one's 923, and that one's came off. The writing came off. So, I can't get in here. Oh. Alrighty. Model number 2688. It's from June of 1988. And this one's from June of 1988. Oh, I can't even get in here. Yeah. They're all from 1988, June of 1988. I don't know, what are these? I don't know. They put it in a crappy place. Well, they put it in a crappy place. And here's the 4th one, June of 1988. Oh, I can't even get in here. It's dangerous to climb in an air conditioner when they kick on. These are 4. Anyway, it's about 8 o'clock p.m. Alrighty. I can't get in here. I can't get in here. Oh, that's it. So, and then, it's from June of 1988. And, well, I'm trying to make a video of the furnace. And it's dangerous to climb. I can't get in here. It's got a Copeland Reciprocating Compressor. Sorry about that noise. That's probably a turbo car. No, a sports car. I'll try to make a video of the gas furnace. There's the gas furnace door. Yep. So, well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.